George, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung latest purchase ko from Watch Portal Philippines. So last time I ordered yung brown leather watch and sobrang nagustuhan ko yung design nito because it's a timeless piece. So nag-order ako ng ganito rin pero different design naman. So I ordered yung two-tone stainless steel na gold and silver and I only got this for 1,900 from 2,400 na original price. So i-check nyo yan. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung design nito because it's giving old money aesthetic and marami siyang binabagayan na damit. And meron silang other watches, they have Seiko, they have Valentino, pero ito kasi yung nagustuhan ko. So you can check their website and I can assure you that all of their products are authentic and sobrang fast delivery pa. They accept credit card, cash on delivery, and even GCash. So i-check out nyo na yan. And